Hello, welcome to Jingrui lock machine. Today we will introduce a new machine, model JZ-25B. This is for forming the cylinder plugs from the round brass bars to the finish to making the surroundings and chamfering slots and drilling the tail holes. This is the bar feeders to feeding the long brass bars. You can every time you can place around 20 more than 20 cylinder plugs inside here, and the machine will automatically feeding the round brass bars. And this is the touching screen panel. All the lacing parameter can be set in here, and the bar feeders will feeding the long brass bars. And this cutter, we got two cutters and one drilling bit. The drilling bit is not installed because this machine, this cutter don't need the drilling the tail holes. We can also install the drilling bit to drilling the tail holes. And cutter, this one is for sawing off, and this one for lacing the surroundings. Take off, because you can hear, take off the surface and making the slots and then slots. Each station is controlled by servo motors, and all parameters can be set on the touching screen panels. And this is a basic machine, and for basic machine for making the cylinder plugs. After this machine, we will need to slotting and drilling the pinholes and make the top and end slots.